Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I thought I would do another Canva tutorial, show you how to create videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. So I'm going to show you really simple and easy ways you can create faceless content, motivational quote, lifestyle for people who may wanted to start a channel or a social media page but didn't actually want to show their face, because not everyone does. I'm also in this video going to show you how you can use ChatGPT. For example, if you're creating a motivational page, how you can actually use ChatGPT and AI to come up with these really cool motivational quotes that you don't even have to think of yourself. Yeah, let's not talk too much and let's get into it. So but on the Canva homepage, so create design. See, as you can see here, you've got all the different options you can choose. So I'm going to go over, I think, to mobile video. However, you can maybe type in like TikTok or whatever here, but I'm going to click on mobile video and this should give the correct dimensions. Okay, so here we've got the correct dimensions now to start making our video. Firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to pick what we want to create. So say if I wanted to create motivational quotes, for example. So we're going to go to elements and then here we're going to pick what you would like your background to be. For these faceless channels and videos, you can say if you wanted, I don't know, a lady walking along the beach or along the sand or some sort of beach background. So let's just type in walking. Let's type in walking on the beach. Let's just see what comes up. You want to go over to videos. And so you have all of these of people walking on the beach. Have a look through these and just see which ones you want to use. You can always go ahead and then change the backgrounds afterwards anyway. But let's just go ahead and have a look at this one. So if you want to set the video, this screen, to make it bigger, to set it as the background, you just want to click on these three dots here and then go to set video as background. Click that and then your video background is set. So after the background is done, you then just want to go over and add your text. So here underneath elements, we've got text. So you just put in your text. Now, if you already have your quotes that you want to use, brilliant. You can literally just write them as text. So let's just give an example. Let's see. So let's go add heading. I don't know, I'm just doing anything random. Keep going. And then, I don't know, underneath it, you could put, you are powerful. Okay, so I'm just going to move the text down here. And obviously, we don't want to keep this sort of font. I just don't think it goes with the vibe, so we're going to change the font. So up here you've got all the different options, so change font, change the size in the font, bold, italic, underline, all of these things, as well as effects and animate. So we're going to just start off with the font. So we're going to go down here and we're just going to use a font that we think, you know, kind of fits the vibe of what we're trying to say on our video. So let's have a look. I quite like Brittany, so this looks really good. So I'm just going to make that a bit bigger and then you can play around with it. Maybe it'll look better up here. So I'm going to go over to effects. So you can use this and it will just lift it off the page, which is a really, really good thing to use on your video. They have shadow, lift, outline, all of these that you can use on your text. I like to use a lift or an outline. I think these two are the best ones making the text stand out. I think I'm going to change the colour of the text as well. So I'm just going to go over to this little A which says text colour. And I'm just going to click on that. If you don't want to use any of the colours here, you can go onto this and it says add new colour, and then you can just find whatever colour you want to go with. I don't know, I kind of think the black stands out more. But like I said, you can just play around with all the colours and just see what best matches your video. So I think this one looks good because I like to kind of choose colours in the text that kind of go alongside also what's in the image. So I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to go back on font and just see if there's anything else that might be better. You may want to choose something even like that that's really simple. I think things like that that's just really simple really can work as well. Let's have a look, see if I can find anything just a little more interesting. That one's quite nice, just very simple. They have loads of fonts to choose from. I'm just going to go back to this one, which is called Brittany, and I think we're just going to go with this one. And also, so let's just play the video and see what this looks like. So that looks good. So actually I might change this and I might actually put this in a different box, and I might put the "You Are Powerful" underneath. So you've got "Keep Going" up here, and I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger as well, I think. So the "Keep Going," and then for the "You Are Powerful," I'm just going to add, I think I'm just going to add it here at the bottom. Like this. And I'm just going to drag this box here and then just drag it down. I'm going to use the same font, but you don't have to use the same font, obviously. You can use whatever font you would like. And I'm just going to make that just slightly bigger. Okay, so now we've got our text, we can go over to animate and we can choose any of these really cool animations that we want to add to our video. Now obviously the videos are quite flowy and beachy, so I'm just trying to find something that will maybe work with the vibe of the video. Okay, this one looks really good, and you can actually speed it up so it's not as slow. Got that one for that one, and then I'm going to change the "You Are Powerful." So let's have a look and see. That one's quite nice, kind of works. Quite like the bursts as well. Quite like that one. So now look guys, we've got our video, and literally how long did that take? A couple of minutes. So that is our video, and again you can make a number of these short form videos either for like a TikTok page or an Instagram or even like YouTube shorts, and they're so easy to create on Canva. And even the quotes you don't have to even think of yourself. You can actually use AI to create the quotes for you. So I am going to show you that in a second. You can also add different things. Obviously, just go over to elements. I don't know, you might want to add arrows or, I don't know, random graphics, whatever you want. You could use like, I don't know, let's see, sprinkles, gold. Let's have a look and see. Okay, say if you wanted something like that, you can just do things like this just to add something, you know, to your video. So let's have a look and play this. Okay, great. So this is how simple and easy these are to make. So if we wanted to change this background, let's go back to elements. Say we wanted, I don't know, say we just wanted an ocean. Just say we wanted a pic of the ocean without anybody in it. So we're going over to videos. Well, let's type in ocean waves, sorry. Ocean waves. And look at that, we've got all these videos. You could do beach sunset. So if I wanted to swap, I'd just click on the image. This one's got some sound. Just click on the image and then go place background. And then we have this background image. Okay, and again, if I choose something else, like if I go to, so I could type in something like lifestyle, if you're maybe making more lifestyle content. See all, let's go to videos. So I could just move this up, you can't really see. There you go, and you can literally change the background to anything you want. And then we have a whole nother video. If you wanted to do, I don't know, say a food page, so you could do like healthy food. Let's have a look. Let's pick that one. And then we can change this, because this background is quite busy, we probably need to change this text. So let's try and change this to something. There we go, you probably need to change the colour. Let's change that. And here we can put, I don't know, something like health is, and then here we could write health is, and then maybe we want to put an effect on this, maybe we want to outline it actually so it stands out. Health is, and then we want to go back to text, add heading, and then I'm just going to put wealth here. Health is wealth. And then if you want to find out the recent, if you can't remember the name of the text you want to use, there is a box here that says recently used. I don't know if it's on here, but I quite like to use that one. That one looks quite cool. Okay, and then we're just going to make that bigger. And again, you can use an outline, you can use a lift. I'm just going to lift it so it lifts off the page. Okay, let's have a little look at this one. And again, just obviously choose your effects based on your video. So I don't necessarily think that one goes. I feel like it needs more of like a different vibe for this one. I do like typewriter. So yeah, there we go guys. Like I said, super easy. Just choose your niche, choose your theme, go down to elements, make sure you're choosing the best ones that fit your videos, and then it literally takes seconds, minutes to create these videos. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and I'll show you how to get your quotes. So just in this box here, I'm just going to type, write me 10 motivational quotes about being powerful and achieving your goals in life. Okay, so you're just going to write a prompt for ChatGPT. Okay, and then I'm going to let it do its thing. Okay, so now ChatGPT, as you can see, has given me great quotes that I can use over my videos. Dream big, work hard, stay focused. You could say, write me 5 quotes about healthy lifestyle. Make these quotes short. Amazing. So you can literally type anything in ChatGPT and you can use any of these ideas over on your videos over on Canva and implement that over there if you can't think of any ideas or you just want to kind of mix it up. So these are some things that you can use over on ChatGPT if you're just stuck for ideas and you're stuck for some quotes, and I think it's a really great tool to use. But obviously if you want to be creative and just create them yourself, that's probably even better. But these are really easy ways you can make these videos. That is all for today's video, guys. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be very, very grateful. It does really help and I'm really trying to grow this channel. I hope you have been enjoying these videos and you've learned something from them. I am looking to do a full Canva tutorial for beginners. Let me know if you'll be interested in watching that, or let me know if there's any other video that you would like me to talk about or cover. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, watched any of my videos or even clicked on them, and I will see you in my next video.